sure that your schedule includes time to enjoy the little things. So when it comes to cleaning your home, you need a vacuum that allows you to spend less time cleaning and more time with your family. The CleanView from Bissell has features designed to remove embedded dirt and hair for a deep clean. CleanView has OnePass technology, which provides powerful, non-stop suction and an innovative brush design that cleans on the initial pass. CleanView's OnePass technology couples with a powerful multi-cyclonic suction system to deliver powerful, non-stop suction in an uncomplicated, easy-to-maneuver unit. CleanView comes with premium attachments designed to clean other surfaces where messes may exist. The crevice tool is great for cleaning narrow surfaces, such as baseboards, while the Turbo Brush tool attaches easily to clean furniture and stairs. And the upholstery brush can be used to clean furniture and drapes. The vacuum comes with a multi-level filtration system that helps reduce household allergens. There's even a washable pre-motor filter that you can clean and reuse to maximize performance and save money. CleanView's Easy Empty Dirt Tank allows you to dispose of your debris at the push of a button. All these features and attachments are built into CleanView's lightweight, easily storable design, letting you get the cleaning out of the way so you can get back to enjoying the little things. CleanView from Bissell.
Quick math question for you. What do you get when you take our beautiful 300-watt 2-speed hand mixer, throw in a stainless steel chopper, add a 2.5 cup mixing bowl, a 24-ounce measuring cup, a stainless steel whisk, a comfortable handle, and you make it easy to use? Give up? You get breakfast. Ovente, defining housewares.
Get inspired to explore new culinary possibilities with Ninja Chef. The Ninja Chef features a 1500-watt advanced motor system, next-generation high-speed blade design, and Ninja's widest variable speed range, designed to power through tough ingredients and avoid bogging down. Choose from a menu of 10 chef-developed Auto IQ preset programs, or switch to manual mode for total variable speed control and customization with Ninja's widest variable speed range. From restaurant-style purees and salsas to smoothies, ice creams, frozen drinks, and even hot soups, Ninja Chef easily turns all your home-cooked inspiration into chef-quality results.